Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be teaching you how to make a lip balm. So if this is your first time on my channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notification. So the first ingredient we have here is our petroleum jelly, which is Vaseline. I'm using my Blue Seal Vaseline. Blue Seal Vaseline is super moisturizing. Alright, so while using pink lips, we want a moisturizing effect on our lips, so the lips don't look dry. We want our lips to look kissable, soft and very tender. So that is why you need moisture in your lip balm. So I'm taking a spoon and half of the petroleum jelly. If you don't have Blue Seal, you can use any brand of petroleum jelly for this DIY. So the next is my JURA. This is a a face cream or a body cream. If you want to use it on your body, you can use it. It's a skin correcting cream, and I'm going to mix it with my Vaseline as my base cream. Okay, this is super lightening. It does real good. It does real good on your skin. So I thought that I add it into my lip balm. So this cream is very good, so it's wise and fair enough to add it into your lip balm. So I'm going to mix these two creams together, my Vaseline and the JURA. You can get this JURA in the supermarket, on your local store. It's a good cream in general, so I'll be mixing that together to form a smooth fine paste. The next ingredient I'll be adding is my almond oil. Almond oil is very good for the skin, it's very good for the hair, it's very good on your lips as well. It is super moisturizing. It encourages, moisture and luminance of your lips. The next ingredient is my food coloring. If you watched my DIY lip scrub, I used this food coloring as should I call it an indicator? Anyhow, as a science student, it's an indicator. It's a pink indicator, so it gives off that very vibrant, attractive pink we want in our lip scrub and in our lip balm. So funny enough, I added the food coloring to the almond oil and it wasn't mixing as I thought it was, but I was able to just break it into little particles. So now, because this flopped, I'll just be adding a little bit of the particle of the food coloring and a little bit of the almond oil into our cream base, and I'll go ahead and give that a good stir. Okay, so some extent I wasted my food coloring because I just needed very small, and if I knew that this little particle would be doing this magic for me, I won't even be adding much. Okay, so I used a little of that particle from the food coloring and almond oil, and see the very vibrant, beautiful, attractive pink lip balm that this has given us. Okay, this is very moisturizing, it is very hydrating, if that makes sense to you, and it gives you that very soft and kissable pink lips, provided you are using this with our scrub. I'll leave the link of the scrub up in the card on your right hand side or in the description box, so that you can check that out. So the next thing you need to do is to package your lip balm. Okay, you need to store this because you'll be using it every day, so it needs to look presentable. For those that I'm extra, so I need to repackage it into the standard lip balm containers. If you guys have seen, a lot of lip balm containers are like this, so it needs to look, it needs to stand out and look like really time-taking product. Okay, if you get what I mean, you need to package it, let it look good and cute and presentable. So this is all the lip balm. And this quantity can go for a month plus, and bear in mind this does not go bad. Okay, it doesn't go bad at all, provided it doesn't come in contact with water or moisture. It is what it is, and it gives you a very vibrant, beautiful, kissable pink lips, if that makes any sense. So basically, this is how to make your own pink lips balm. We've gotten to the end of this video. If you enjoy, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notification. Do well to share this video, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.